Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Shopmium. And maybe you're wondering, can you save money and make money with Shopmium app? How does this all work, right? Let's check it out, okay? Anytime you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. So let's check out Shopmium to find out whether this is the good or the ugly. Can you really save money, make money with this particular app? Maybe there are better ways to do that online, okay? Now, Shopmium is basically a UK app. It's been around for a long time, since 2011, and it allows you to earn cash back on your regular grocery shopping, right? Now, it's only available in the UK, France, and Belgium. So if you're based outside of one of these countries, don't worry, stick around till the end of the video. I'm going to show you another cool way to start earning online, all right? Now, Shopmium is a cashback app. Now, if you come down here and see how it works, there's a few ways that you can use it, right? You can use it as a Chrome extension, which means you download it onto your Chrome browser. And as you shop around, it'll tell you whether that particular store that you're on at that particular time has a relationship with them, so you can get some cash backs. Another way to do it is to actually use the geolocation services. So if you see right here, you'll have a little map, and then it'll tell you based on where you are. So let's just say you're based in London, and you're gonna go shop at one of the supermarkets. It'll let you know, oh, there's a particular store that we're a partner with. There's a particular item in that particular store. You can go there and shop and get some cash back. Okay, so they have relationships with certain brands and certain stores, about 500 stores, right? And this will allow you to get different types of cash back. All right, now it says here that you can get up to 100% cash back, but just understand that for the most part you're not really going to get 100% cash back, right? It's very difficult to get that. The sweet spot is between 3 to 10%, right? It's pretty normal for a cashback website to offer between 3 and 10%. So this is really if you're going to be doing grocery shopping anyway, right? If you're going to go buy something from Tesco's or Morrison's, for example, or Sainsbury's, you're going to buy it anyway, right? So you may as well go to the one where they've got a relationship with them. Just do your regular shopping. If you save a little bit of money, great. And that's kind of the way that you need to look at it, right? And that's essentially how you can use Shopmium, right? It's pretty standard cashback app. Nothing, amazing about it. It's just a way for you to save a little bit of money. The nice thing though is it is a UK focused app, so UK, France, and Belgium. There are a lot of these cashback apps that I've reviewed that are based in the US that are not so available in the UK and other parts of Europe, right? Whereas these guys are, which is really, really cool. All right, so if you want to download them, you can check them out at the Google Play Store. 5 million downloads. It's a pretty popular app, all right? And you can download it here, right? It looks, kind of like this. Pretty standard, right? Cool little app right there. And the nice thing that I like about Shopmium is that the reviews are pretty good. Okay, so it doesn't look like it's super high, right? 851 reviews, 3.6, but generally people really do like it. There are quite a lot of 1 stars, 25% have rated it 1 star, but let me clarify. All right, there's nothing actually wrong with the app itself. The nice thing about this app is it actually pays out. It's legit. All right, the reason why there are so many 1 stars here is because these people are complaining that they made a change from a threshold of $1 withdrawal to 10 pounds. Sorry, £1 to £10, right? So previously, as soon as you hit £1, you could withdraw your savings, right, directly from the app through PayPal and bank transfer. But now they've increased it to £10, right? But I want to be really clear about this. Most cashback apps have a threshold of $10 to $20 anyway. All right, so Shopmium is, I would say, industry standard. Previously, they were allowing you to withdraw at £1, which is really little for a cashback app. You can get to £1 pretty quickly, right? £10, it takes a little bit of time. It takes you, maybe a month of shopping. If you're shopping once a week, and you buy a decent amount of food, right, you can get to £10 a month. Okay, so this is why a lot of people are giving it 1 star. But the nice thing about Shopmium is that it works. It's legit. There are a lot of cashback apps out there that don't really work that well. All right. Now, not to say that these guys don't have glitches, because sometimes they glitch out a little bit. But but generally speaking, it's an app that works. And you can really get cashback offers if you shop on a regular basis, and you can save between 3 and 10% on the items that you're going to buy anyway, right? Now, so here's something to understand. A lot of people wonder, like, how much money can I actually save or make from Shopmium, you know, it's very standard for a cashback app to get between 10 to 20 pounds a month, depending on how much shopping you're doing. So this is not something where you're going to get rich. You know, you're not going to retire with Shopmium. It's nothing like that. It's just, look, here's a way to save a little bit of money since you're going to be buying, you know, from Tesco's anyway. You're going to be doing your grocery shopping once a week anyway. Why don't you save a little bit of money through our app? That's it, okay? And it does that pretty well. It's not designed to help you quit your full-time job or generate you a lot of cash flow. And that's kind of the problem with cashback apps. It's more of a little bit of a savings app, but it's not going to allow you to generate a lot of cash flow. So it just depends on your goals, right? But as a cashback app, I think it's pretty cool right here. All right, so you can check it out, shopmium.com/UK, or you can go to the the Google Play Store and you can Google Shopmium. You can find it and you can download it straight from there. All right, now if you're here watching this video right now, on this channel, I have reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money online. I've seen literally the good, the bad, and the ugly, right? All sorts of websites, apps, business models, cash saving apps like this, cash generating strategies. I've tested a lot of them too, put in my own money, and out of all of the good ones, there's one that I used to completely change my life. I quit my full-time job because of it, generate 5 times more than my old corporate salary. I think this is great for beginners, and if you're looking for a way to generate big income, maybe this is something that you might enjoy, okay? I've got a free masterclass that goes through it step by step. You can access it by clicking the link right below this video. All the best. I hope you enjoy this review of Shopmium, and I will see you on another video review. Take care.